Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll take up the problems where my replacement set is going to be the set of integers. Now we already know that integers means the numbers like 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and it continues, right? So basically we have got negative numbers as well in this particular set of integers. All right, so here we need to solve and graph the solution set on the number line. Okay, so we have been given this inequation. So solving part is easy, right? So I want to get rid of this minus 8. So we will add 8 on both sides. So if I add 8, then I'll get this, isn't it? Minus 8 and 8 gets cancelled. Minus 24 plus 8 is how much? It is minus 16, isn't it? So we have 8x is less than or equal to minus 16. Now in order to get rid of this 8, I need to divide both sides by 8, isn't it? So dividing both sides by 8, now 8 is a positive number, so that's why this sign will remain as it is. All right, so we get this, isn't it? 8 and 8 get cancelled, 16 and 8 gets cancelled, so only 2 will be left. In fact, minus 2 will be left, isn't it? So we have x is less than or equal to minus 2. Okay, now the numbers, okay, or the integers which are less than or equal to minus 2 are, so let us see from the graph itself. So this is minus 2, and the number, see, minus 2 is also included because there is equal to sign. Okay, so minus 2 is also my answer. Now the numbers, negative numbers which are less than minus 2 are, we have to go to the left in order to search for smaller number, and the number will be minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and it continues, right? So that's why this will be the solution or the graph for this particular inequation. All right, pause the video and note it down. Let's take another question. Again, my replacement set is z, so I'm taking 13 sub number 2. Okay, so this is the given inequation. So let's open up the bracket. So multiplying by 3 here, so 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. All right, so if you want to get this 4x out here and this 3 over there, that also can be done. So if I do that, then I'll get this. So this minus becomes plus here, and this plus becomes minus here. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. So 2x is greater than 6 plus 3 is 9. So in order to get rid of this 2, I need to divide both sides by 2. So if I divide both sides by 2, now 2 is a positive number, so that's why this sign will remain as it is. And here we get 9 by 2. And how much is 9 by 2? 9 by 2 is 4.5, isn't it? So basically you have to plot the integers which are greater than or equal to 4.5. Now since there is an equal to sign, can 4.5 be my answer? No, right? Because 4.5 is not an integer. Remember, 4 is an integer, but 4.5 is not an integer. So the required graph looks somewhat like this. Let's see where is 4.5. See, this is 4.5 means this is 4.5, isn't it? So 4.5 will be somewhere over here. Okay, and 4.5 is not an integer, so that's why I have not put a circle like this. Now the numbers greater than or the integers greater than 4.5 are 5, 6, and similarly we have 7, 8, 9, 10, and it continues. So that's why this gives you graph for this particular question. Pause the video and note it down. Let me take the last question for the day. So question says, for the following inequation, again represent the solution on a number line. So this is the given inequation, but this time x is not only integer, but it is simple. It is only negative integer. All right, so the solution part I'm not going to explain here because you already know. Now see, x is greater than minus 6 by 4 means if you convert this into decimal, you'll get minus 1.5. Okay, so the graph looks somewhat like this. See here, 0 here is minus 0.5, this is 1, minus 1.5 will be here. Okay, so the integer, negative integer, remember x is a negative integer, and the negative integer greater than 1.5, minus 1.5. This is minus 1.5, and the negative greater number is only this one, because whenever we search for greater number, we go to the right side, isn't it? And we have minus 1.5 here, so going to the right, we see that there is only one negative number, and that number is minus 1. So that's why this gives you the solution for this particular inequation. All right, so pause the video and note it down. So your homework is question number 7. So do this and submit it to me. Thank you very much.